Part 2. The Dark Woods. Deeper and deeper, into the darkening woods, she ran. Wolves were starting to howl. She tripped, and tore her skirt, but kept running. Tall tree branches seemed to reach down to the very ground to grab her, but she kept running. She was scratched, bleeding, and scared, but ran on till she could run no more. All of a sudden, a blinked from light far in the distance. Who would live so deep in the woods? She stepped up closer to the light. It came from a cottage, yet no sound came from the cottage, only the flickering light from the windows. "Hello," she said, knocking softly on the door. "Hello." No answer. The door was a little bit open. She opened it some more and stepped in. "Is anyone home?" She looked around. What a mess! She had never seen such an untidy space. "This cottage may look like a disaster," she thought, "but it's a roof over my head. Maybe if I clean up around here, I can earn my stay tonight." As she cleaned, she thought of someone. Before her father married the queen, her stepmother, she and a prince, who lived in a nearby kingdom, were spending time together. When he visited, they would take walks in the royal garden, tell each other stories of life at court, and laugh at all the oddities that was the life they led. However, once her father remarried, the stepmother made a new rule: no more visitors. It wasn't seemly, she said in a firm voice. Now the prince had to slip over the castle gate in secret. The prince would call out to her from under her bedroom window, and they could talk a bit that way. They had to keep their voices low, so it wasn't as good as walking in the royal garden, but it was the best they could manage. She fretted. If she never returned again to the castle, would she ever see him again? What would he think of her when he came to visit, and she was no longer there? For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.